Nice and gentle, yep. Oh, look at the size of that.
Fucking, that's all right.
That's a big one. And you only just got him in the lip, look at that.
Oh.
Got it on the Yachty, my fave. Look at that. Nice. It is a... No.
That's a stingy.
Only the big ones get away, mate.
Jellyfish.
Yeah. Here we go, little snapper. Too small though, but he's gonna go back. Look at that, Damo. Woo! Fish of the day. Look at all the good fish. Look at that. It's actually a very pretty fish, but you get stung by that. Huh. Actually, it's not bad. Not bad. It's not undersized, it's wok size. Look at that, that's called a...
Bottom make concoction.
Nice. Pretty cool.
Mr. Sambo!
Mr. Sambo, mate. We're catching them everywhere. Look. Look at the size. Oh, well. You sure it's footballer?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a, what do you call it? 3-bar cod, isn't it?
No.
Sambo. Well, that's the funniest Sambo we've seen for a while, I tell you.
Shut up and sit down.
Well, 3-hour fishing, like you'd expect. And first cast, my rod just shit itself. Brand new one too. Look at that, beautiful. Got it on the Yachty, my fave. Look at that, nice. That's Damo's dinner.
Hey, how
Hey?
you going? Good to be here.
Good morning, Damo.
Morning, Michael.
How's the staff for a
Oh,
start,
it's
mate?
lovely.
eh?
It's lovely.
Second drop.
It is.
Woo. We're just fishing in 39 metres of water. Mink cutters moving around a bit. We got a bit of wind, but looking all right. Got some meat for Damo to take home to his family. Nice. Still got him?
Yeah.
Look at the bend in that broomstick. What do you got, Damo? What do you
I
reckon?
don't know.
I reckon a snapper.
All right.
Let's go with snapper. Queenie or pinky? Let's have a look. Whatever you do, make sure drag set. Don't lose him. You get some meat. Nice and gentle. Yep. Oh, look at the size of that. Look at the size of that.
Fucking, that's all right.
That's a big one, mate.
Good one.
And you only just got him in the lip. Look at that.
Skill.
Well done, Damo.
Good stuff.
Yeah. At least he's doing something this time. Although this is going to be the last trip for him. Otherwise, whoosh.
Yeah, he's a bit clean.
All right. All right, mate. What do you got this time? Not as big as the last one you just lost, but
Shaking his head a little bit. I don't know what that means.
it's a shaker. Hey? Look at that. What is it? What is it? It is a... No. Yeah, it wasn't as big as the big one though. Yeah, only the big ones get away, mate.
Jellyfish.
Yeah. Some bait. Damo, don't lose this one.
I'll try not to.
Don't lose this one.
Don't be a...
We don't want the broomstick to give you the curse. Hey, so the broomstick, the witch. I think we'll have to get a bigger handle for you, mate.
Might a bigger handle.
Hey, there you go, little snapper. Healthy. Too small though, but he's going to go back. But Damo needs broomstick. All right, so that's what's down there. Now I just need to find the bigger ones. Damo's on again. Oh my God.
Here we go.
What is it, buddy?
Now go.
Oh yes. That's what's down there. There we go.
That's good.
Hold him up, buddy. There we go. That's how you lost the other one. Nanny. That, Damo. Woo.
That's the best smile I can do. I'm not a smiley guy.
Okay, oh, double header. Look at that. Double header Braxy cods. Look at that pigeon pair, mate. Good stuff, eh? Stay in the boat though. Well done, Damo.
Hey, good stuff.
Very good. Well, today's another day. We're on a bucking bull at the moment, and this bloke here has learned how to drive. But anyway, so we're heading out another day, and Joshy's here. Go, Josh.
Morning, how you going?
Good, mate. Good.
Cold.
Sun's just coming up, as you can see over there. Well, you can't see it, but get overcast. Nice. A little bit of rain. We're good for it. We love it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see what we can get today. Fish of the day. Look at all the good fish. Look at that. It's actually a very pretty fish, but you get stung by that. Huh, not good at all. Again, killing it. What do you got? Little shit one. Little average. Is it worthy or not? Actually, it's not bad. Not bad. It's not undersized, it's wok size. Jayden, you on again?
Yeah, no, this. Another picture crew.
I reckon Dewey. That's Dewey, I think, mate. Ooh.
That might be one of your good things.
What?
Sambo.
No way.
They'll go way harder.
Right, little one.
All right, see what it is shortly. Hopefully he gets to keep it. What is that? Is it a keeper? Whatever it is, it's got to be a keeper. Is it a Jewy? It looks like a Jewy. Coming out wide. That's a Jewy. So what? A Sambo. Yeah, it looks like a Sambo. Shit. Oh. Well, that's the funniest Sambo we've seen for a while, I tell you. Hang on, where's the gaff? Alright, we're going to deal with this fish, and you know what we do with those? For a change. It's not massive, but it's alright. Still a fish.
What you got?
Joey or a Sambo? Maybe it's not a Sambo. 15 kilos, you'll be nice.
Nice little gym workout.
Alright. Jayden again. Murdering it today, murdering it. What do you got?
Baby snapper, Robert.
You reckon? Whatever it is, I think you got your mate over there.
Yep.
Angles.
Oh, nice.
Angles below today.
Yeah, well, that's a disadvantage of using them in coda. Angles. Look at that, that's called a...
Whipped up here.
Ooh. Ooh.
Got a bottom make concoction.
Nice. Yes. I got the boys onto the bottom meat. They've finally seen the light. Look at that, eh? Look at that mess. Alright, we're going to go sort that out and see what the next one is. Joshy,
Yeah.
what do you got, buddy?
I got a Sambo.
Another one?
Yeah.
This is what, Sambo City or something, you reckon?
I think so.
Damn.
He's not happy though.
You know, I'm sort of glad that you got him, though.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Free workout.
That rod. Oh, and he's on too. Same time. You got a Sambo or not?
No.
Good. We got some meat. Fish. Alrighty. See what these jokers got. Skippy! Egg Skippy. Lovely specimen. Lovely. Josh is still going. Hey Josh.
There you go.
How's that rod going, buddy?
Good.
Holy shit. Dare say it's a Sambo.
Mr. Sambo.
It's the Sambo, mate. We're catching them everywhere. Oh, what a day. All right. And release him and... And Joshy?
Definitely a fish.
Definitely a fish?
Next door.
Alrighty. This is a team effort, right? Alrighty. We're in 274. Fish on the screen. Hope it's not spur dogs. Look. Look at the size. Oh, well. You sure it's footballer?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a, what do you call it? 3-bar cod, isn't it?
No.
Frank will love that. 3-bar cod. He'll love it. Alrighty.
Oh, damn.
Oh well, that was sort of exciting. Well, to bait up and try it again. Well, this is my editing time. So I'm just editing what happened on the weekend, and just realised that the GoPro that when I did finish at the end of one of our episodes, which is what I'm downloading at the moment, something happened with the GoPro. But just to explain what's going to happen in this video is that I went fishing with Damon on the Saturday, then I went fishing with the boys on the Sunday. Look, it was a you know, it's a taxing weekend. We did inshore, then we did outshore, but it was a good weekend. But really unusual that you can have a Saturday and Sunday go fishing, or 2 days in a row, especially down here at the moment. But yeah, so I took some footage and it just didn't work out. So I needed to do a finish for it, so you know, make it understand better understanding of what the video was going to do. And just wanted to say thanks for watching, guys, because I really appreciate it. Until then, stay safe and happy fishing. Thanks. Oh, we have got something else coming for the boat, so it's gonna be another game changer. So watch out for that. The new episode's coming up. All right, guys, take care, stay safe.